Hello guys, Rob here. OKex is giving away over 100 million EOS worth of votes to EOS BPs that are voted for. So if you are an OKex user with an account balance over 0, you get 1 vote every 12 hours. And this leaves 2 vote periods left if my calculation of this Hong Kong time conversion is correct. So if you are an OKex user with a balance over 0, I'll leave a link to this in the description. Get on and cast your last couple votes for good EOS BPs so they can receive some extra EOS votes and hopefully push them up above some of these bad BPs that are out there. If you like what we do here at the channel, please consider voting for EOSblocksmith. They're down here at the bottom. They need some votes. If you do like what we do here, EOSblocksmith has been a supporter of the channel for months now, so please consider casting your vote for them to help them move up this list and hopefully get some of those votes. And it's needed, guys. Recently, EOSblocksmith got pushed out of even a paid backup position, so now they're currently sitting here in the 84th spot, making nothing. Blocksmith is a great block producer, guys, with a focus on education, and they put on events in one of the most important spots in the space, in my opinion, Silicon Valley. So it's just really sad to see them fall out of a paid position, especially when you have an EOS BP who's supposedly focused on education. Just look at EOS Education here in the 44 spot, making 181 EOS a day, and what do they have to offer? For weeks now, it's just been a coming soon page. Really? So if you're not an OKex user, and even if you are, please consider voting for EOSblocksmith. They did not ask me to make this video. They did not tell me to make this video. I wanted to make this video because they support the channel and they support the EOS community in a very important area in the world, in Silicon Valley, putting on events, putting out content, sponsoring channels like this, sponsoring content like the content that comes out from Blockchain Kid. He's put out some great stuff on this whole voting situation and ways to improve it. There's also great proxies that vote for Blocksmith. So if you are a proxy voter, Colin Talks Crypto Proxy votes for Blocksmith. Investing with a Difference Proxy votes for Blocksmith. And the new Everything EOS Proxy also votes for Blocksmith. So there are great proxies to choose from that vote for Blocksmith if you want to vote via the proxy route. And also, of course, the proxy we run here, hodleosvoter proxy. We vote for Blocksmith. We've been voting for Blocksmith since the very beginning. So please consider showing them some love and voting for them, or voting for a proxy that votes for them. They do a hell of a lot more than a lot of these BPs in the standby position that are receiving rewards daily. And Blocksmith at this point, for the past week or so, is getting nothing. Thank you, Blocksmith, for your continued support of the channel and the EOS community. If you're not voting for them already, please consider a vote for EOSblocksmith. And to wrap this one up, guys, I just wanted to give an update on the Telos Rex TEDP. We were up to 1 signature away, 1 BP away yesterday. Some have removed their signatures so they can coordinate better for this launch, and I believe it was said that some of the BPs were on a little bit older software that hasn't been tested as fully. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6... 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 of the 15 needed active block producers approving this. It should be any day now. I thought it was going to happen today, but some removed it, which is a good thing. You know, I don't think they should rush this. So within this week, definitely, I would think within the next day or two, the TEDP and Telos Rex could be live. And I'll be watching it like a hawk, and we'll let you guys know as soon as it is ready. As long as it's not in the middle of the night and I'm asleep. But as soon as it's ready, I will let you know, and then I will pump out how to Rex videos, starting off with Squirrel, because that is the wallet I know is ready. If you want to learn more about Telos, Telos Rex, Telos TEDP, check out the link in the description. You can also get your free account there. If you don't have an account yet and you want to start participating in Telos Rex, do it now. You can get your free account through the link in the description. That's going to do it for me for this one, guys.